Premier League football is back again this coming weekend, ladies and gentlemen, and yeah, exciting times, There's some really interesting games in this weekend, and yeah, I'm gonna be running through my match predictions for those games, particularly the big six games, which is our main focus on this channel. So yeah. Starting with Chelsea, yeah, I expect Chelsea to win that game if I'm being totally honest. There's no easy games in the Premier League, but I expect Chelsea to win that game against Burnley. So I'm gonna go for a 2-0 Chelsea win. Yeah, moving on to the Liverpool and Nottingham Forest game. Yeah, Liverpool haven't been playing well this season, losing too many games, poor performances, no team cohesion. But hey man, they have to bounce back, and they are playing at home. And they are playing not a difficult team. They are playing a team that's in transition as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a 3-1 Liverpool win. I expect them to bounce back. And yeah, the Newcastle and Man City game, another blockbuster of a game. Not an easy game for Man City, and I don't see them winning, mainly because they are playing at St. James, and you know how Newcastle are at St. James. So I'm gonna go for a tight 2-2 draw if I'm being totally honest. But one thing's for sure, this guy is gonna score. 9 Dengiazi. And then the North London derby, Arsenal versus Spurs. You know, Arsenal has been in great form recently. You can even tell by the team spirit, Uguti. Yeah, they are on form. So I expect them to win. I think they'll win. I'm gonna go for a 3-0 win. I think they'll thrash the Spurs. Yeah, they'll score a couple of corners in the game because you know corners FC, so team. And then we've got my beloved Man United. Yo, you know this team. I just don't really trust this team at all, if I'm being totally honest. And I feel like this game against Everton is just going to be one of those games where Man United somehow bottles the game. I know we've been doing well at Old Trafford this season, but I just feel like Man United will bottle this game somehow. Honestly, I have that feeling. So I'm going to go for a 2-2 draw. So yeah, those were my match predictions, Premier League match predictions for the Big Six this weekend. You guys let me know your predictions in the comments.